As the feet of a vehicle, tires play a crucial role in acceleration, braking, cornering, and shock absorption, making them one of the most critical components of an automobile. Creator's voice. Laser manufacturing for electric vehicles. Intelligent laser cleaning equipment for tire molds. In the manufacturing of automobile tires, molds are essential tools used in the vulcanization process. They are susceptible to contamination from accumulated rubber, additives, and mold release agents during vulcanization. If not cleaned effectively and promptly, this contamination directly affects tire quality. Therefore, maintaining the cleanliness of tire molds is crucial. Traditional cleaning methods, such as sandblasting and dry ice cleaning, require intensive disassembly, are time-consuming, energy-intensive, and generate dust and noise pollution. These methods can no longer meet modern tire production requirements for low-carbon, eco-friendly, and energy-efficient manufacturing. HGTECH Intelligent Laser Cleaning Equipment for Tire Molds achieves true automation, eco-friendly operation, and high-efficiency, high-quality cleaning. Equipped with a 3D vision-based automatic cleaning path planning system, it supports both offline model import and real-time online modeling, catering to various factory needs. It can complete online cleaning of 2 tire molds in as fast as 30 minutes. Utilizes the latest generation 4 tons omnidirectional mobile body, equipped with lighter safety protection. Industry-exclusive machine. Compatible with both semi-steel and all-steel molds. Adaptable to lifting and rotating vulcanizing machine designs. Upgraded laser energy output system design. Precisely controlled effective line energy. Integrated with an intelligent self-learning cleaning system. Powered by an expert database of over 1,000 cleaning models. Simpler operation, more efficient cleaning. Ensuring the transformation of the tire mold industry from manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing by continuously advancing in 3 key areas: digital intelligence, green manufacturing, and high efficiency.